The OMCA, also known as Optionally Manned Combat Aircraft based on the modified Kiran Mark II trainer, will have its first flight in an unmanned configuration later this year, without inputs from a remote pilot. The OMCA program will be used to convert retired MiG-21 and MiG-27 aircraft into optionally manned combat aircraft platforms that will be used as a decoy system to draw out air defense positions of the enemies and also carry out airstrikes in contested airspace. Hindustan Aeronautics plans to develop both AMCA and ATGM as optionally manned combat aircraft that will feature an improved electronic pilot backed by artificial intelligence. Hyderabad-based VEM Technologies developed Asibal third-generation man-portable fire and forget ATGM has completed internal trials by the company, and it will now start user trials with the Indian Army. Once the Asibal gets clearance certification from Indian authorities, it will be pitched to the interested foreign countries. The Asibal weighs 18.5 kilograms with missile and launcher, and has a dual-mode imaging infrared seeker equipped with tandem heat warhead. It has an effective range of 2.5 kilometers and can penetrate 850 millimeters armor on a main battle tank. After the recent delivery of 3rd S-400 Regiment to Indian Air Force, Russia's ambassador to India Denis Salipov has said that the Indian Air Force will be getting the 4th S-400 Regiment later this year, and the 5th Regiment will be delivered in January 2024. He also said that there have been delays in milestone payments by India that could delay defense deals in the pipeline. There is a possibility that both countries might link defense payment to other deals or make payments in Chinese yuan. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited had recently showcased a revised design of the Indian multi-role helicopter, and HAL officials acknowledged that the Indian multi-role helicopter program will provide many building blocks that can be used for heavy class attack helicopter program. Hindustan Aeronautics is not considering any such program at the moment, but is ready to work with users on the configuration if requested. India has issued a NOTAM warning for the launch of a missile in the Bay of Bengal for the period from 3rd March to 14th March. The designated area for the NOTAM is 330 kilometers in length, and it might be a test of the Rudram 2 anti-radiation missile. It has a peak speed of Mach 5.5 and terminal speed of 1.5 Mach, and can target radar installations, bunkers, airstrips and hangars. After an assessment by a panel consisting of representatives of all three military branches, the procurement of 30 MQ-9B armed drones has been lowered between 18 and 24 units. The purchase of MQ-9B armed drones will be cleared in the coming weeks, and the MQ-9B drones will come equipped with anti-submarine warfare capabilities, as well as land attack and anti-ship missiles. Indian Navy's 4th Cavalry-class submarine INS Vela has docked at Port Salalah in Oman, as part of Navy's active long-range deployments to enhance maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. This visit will improve ties between both nations, and will also help keep an eye on Chinese movements in the region. On the sidelines of Indo-Japan Joint Army Exercise Dermi Guardian in Japan, Indian Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III transport aircraft is taking part in the Shinyuu Maitri India-Japan Joint Military Exercise. The first phase of the exercise consists of discussions on transport operations and tactical maneuvering, followed by the second phase of flying drills by India's C-17 and Japan's C-2 transport aircraft.